Dead. Oh, I'm recording. Okay. So I went to sleepover last week, and yes, I'm on my phone, and this is the basement. This one is quite good quality for some. But okay, that's the sleeping bag I use, right? I had no idea how to. I didn't know how to do the yuppie thingy. Don't judge. Moss. See, look at the moss bee. It wants to get inside. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, I think I spotted a spider. There's a spider. But it's not a real spider. Okay, well, I'm going.